Yes, guys, this is Simon Peter right here. Good evening to you all, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. As for me, guys, I'm doing awesome. I'm doing great. And just so you know, if you're wondering this video what it's all about, well, this video is about Roy Club community, Roy Club platform, paramining platform. Guys, this Roy Club is here to make your life different, just like it has made my life different. So when I speak, I know what I'm talking about, because I've been experiencing it, I've been like going through it, right? So when I write that life made great because of Roy Club, guys, I know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. I know how it has changed my life. And I say the possibilities how it can change your life. It can make it different. It can make it better, in one way or the other. Hey, this is to guys out there, might be struggling out there, but hey guys, Roy Club Bounty is giving you an opportunity, a free opportunity actually, to join and your way up by working for the Roy Club, by promoting the club and being paid for your hard work doing the promotion. And from up there, you get to earn and then build on your capital as you climb further and further in the ladders. That is what Roy Club offers. So, guys, today I'm going to be walking you guys through uh, me posting a video on Instagram. These are part of the tasks that we do within the Roy Bounty program. So if you guys are with me, we're gonna go through here. All right. Oh, I'm on Facebook. All right. Let's just get out of that. So guys, let's just go straight to our Instagram right now. I'm gonna click my. All right. So, well, there we are, guys, and this is my Instagram, guys. So I'm just gonna click on the plus sign. Yeah. And my video is already here, guys. And so my video is there. It's the one I'm gonna upload, and so I'm just gonna click next right there on the top, and you're gonna see, as long as your video is more than a certain length, if it's a long video, you will have to share it as an IGTV, all right, to get the full length of the video so that it doesn't get cut down, all right. So since it's already selected by default, because Instagram checks the length and says, hey, your video is long, so we're gonna make it a long video here, and we're gonna select the option for you. So we're gonna click continue. Yeah, and so usually there is a thumbnail. So what are we going to use? So let me just use one of my photos from gallery. Yeah, I'm going to pick one of my photos. Oh, I can use this. Yeah, let's just make it the cover of that. So let me just click next, and not to consume much of our time as we do this. So always there is going to be a title. So basically this video is like a walk through Facebook video task uploading. Yeah, something like that. So basically, yeah. Hey guys, so I'm gonna type my comment, then yes. So guys, I'm back, and I'm done writing my video description there, and well, you see that on the top right hand corner there is a word say post. So I'm just gonna click post, right? And yeah, when we go up, we can see our video loading right there. All right, we can see our video loading right there. And yeah, so guys, I'm gonna pause this, and we're gonna come back when our video is done. All right, and then we shall continue from there. Yes guys, so our video is done. Our video is done uploading, and yeah, we can see it up there. So that is our video. So usually what happens from here, I usually get back to my web browser on my computer. Just type Instagram there. Okay, then I go to my profile, which is there. Yep. Then yeah, I believe this is the one. So the one that has just been uploaded right now. All right. So if I go to IGTV, yep. So this is the one that I'm talking about. So I'll click that. Yeah. So this is it, guys. This is the task, and this is the one which was just uploaded 1 minute ago. So I copy this, and I go to my video page, yeah, and I paste it there. So I'm just left with one to go, and I'll be through for the day. So guys, thank you guys so much for just checking in, and guys, Roy Club is here to help you out, and so come join us and be a part of this earning. Yeah, Roy Club is great, it's awesome. Thank you, have a good time.